Mailchimp tags are one of the most powerful features for organizing and segmenting your audience, but if you're not using them effectively, you could be missing out on valuable opportunities to connect with your subscribers. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Mailchimp tags the right way so you can target your emails more effectively and drive better results. Stick around until the end, because I'll also be sharing a way to access Mailchimp for free, plus some exclusive bonuses you won't want to miss. First things first, what are Mailchimp tags? Tags are essentially labels you can attach to contacts in your Mailchimp audience to help you group and categorize them. These tags are flexible and customizable, allowing you to create meaningful categories for specific email campaigns, customer interests, or behaviors. This means you can send the right message to the right people at the right time. Next thing, how do you set up tags? It's pretty simple. When you're importing or adding new contacts to your Mailchimp account, you can either manually add tags or do it automatically via an integration. But the real power comes when you start using these tags for segmentation. For example, you could tag users based on whether they're new subscribers or repeat customers. You could even create tags for specific actions they've taken, like signing up for a webinar or making a purchase. The third thing to consider is how to use Mailchimp tags for targeted campaigns. Instead of sending a generic email to your whole list, you can target specific segments based on their tags. This means more personalized content for your audience and better open rates for you. Want to promote an event? You can tag subscribers who have shown interest in similar events and send them a targeted invite. Or, if you're offering a discount to your top customers, simply tag those users and send them a special offer. The fourth thing is automating your workflows. Mailchimp allows you to trigger automated emails based on tags. For example, if someone subscribes to your newsletter, you can set up a welcome email triggered by a new subscriber tag. And if that person then makes a purchase, you could automatically tag them as a customer and send them a thank you email with a coupon for their next order. It's all about delivering the right message at the right time with minimal effort. The fifth thing is regularly cleaning up your tags. Over time, you might end up with redundant or outdated tags that could clutter your workflow. It's important to periodically review and consolidate tags, especially as your audience grows and your strategies evolve. By keeping things organized, you'll ensure that your campaigns run smoothly and efficiently. Now that you know how to use Mailchimp tags more effectively, I want to remind you that you can get started with Mailchimp completely free using the link below. And as a bonus, we're offering an extended free trial that will help you explore all of Mailchimp's premium features without any pressure. So, if you're looking to take your email marketing to the next level with Mailchimp tags, follow these steps, and you'll start seeing better engagement and results in no time. Make sure to check out the link in the description for your exclusive free trial, and happy emailing!